NASA on Sunday propelled a $1.5 billion shuttle toward the Sun on a noteworthy mission to ensure the Earth by divulging the puzzles of risky Sun-based tempests. 3, 2, 1, 0, and liftoff of the forceful Delta IV Heavy rocket with NASA's Parker Solar Probe, a challenging mission to reveal insight into the secrets of our nearest star, the Sun, said the storyteller on NASA TV. The dispatch lit the night sky at Cape Canaveral, Florida at 3:31 a.m., 0731 GMT. Not as much as after hour, mission directors affirmed that the shuttle isolated from the rocket as arranged and was securely on its excursion. Now, shuttle is up and upbeat, said a representative with United Launch Alliance, the organization that works the rocket. The unmanned rocket's main goal is to draw nearer than any human-made question ever to the focal point of our close planetary system, diving into the Sun's environment, known as the Crown, amid a 7-year mission. The test is monitored by an ultra-intense warmth shield that can bear phenomenal levels of warmth and radiation 500 times that accomplished on Earth. Peculiar cloak. NASA has charged the mission as the principal shuttle to contact the Sun. In all actuality, it should draw near 3.83 million miles, 6.16 million kilometers, of the Sun's surface, sufficiently close to contemplate the inquisitive wonder of the Sun-powered breeze and the Sun's climate, known as the Crown, which is 300 times more blazing than its surface. The auto-measure test will give researchers a superior comprehension of sunlight-based breeze and geomagnetic storms that hazard wreaking disorder on Earth by thumping out the power network. These inadequately comprehended sun-based upheavals could conceivably wipe out capacity to a large number of individuals. The most dire outcome imaginable could cost up to $2 trillion in the main year alone and take 10 years for a full recuperation, specialists say. The Parker Solar Probe will enable us to complete a vastly improved activity of foreseeing when an unsettling influence in the sun-powered breeze could hit Earth, said Justin Casper, an undertaking researcher, an educator at the University of Michigan. Find out about the sunlight-based breeze and space tempests will likewise help ensure future profound space wayfarers as they travel toward the Moon or Mars. Warmth shield. The rocket is shielded from liquefying amid its nearby shave with the Sun by a warmth shield only 4.5 inches, 11.43 centimeters, thick. Indeed, even in a locale where temperatures can achieve in excess of 1,000,000 degrees Fahrenheit, the daylight is required to warm the shield to simply around 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit, 1,371 degrees Celsius. However, within the rocket should remain at only 85 degrees Fahrenheit. The test is set to make 24 goes through the Crown gathering information. The Sun is brimming with puzzles, said Nikki Fox, venture researcher at the Johns Hopkins University Applied Physics Lab. We are prepared. We have the ideal payload. We know the inquiries we need to reply. The rocket is the main NASA test in history to be named after a living individual, 91-year-old sunlight-based physicist Eugene Parker, who initially portrayed the sun-based breeze in 1958. Parker watched the dispatch at Cape Canaveral and said it was his first time seeing a rocket launch face-to-face. I should simply say amazing. Here we go. We are in for some learning throughout the following quite a long while, Parker disclosed to NASA TV. NASA head of the Science Mission Directorate, Thomas Zurbuchen, said Parker is an amazing legend of our academic network. Zurbuchen likewise portrayed the test as one of NASA's most deliberately vital missions. Researchers have needed to construct a shuttle like this for over 60 years. Yet just as of late did the warmth shield innovation equipped for ensuring delicate instruments wind up accessible. Apparatuses on board will gauge high vitality particles related with flares and coronal mass launches, and also the changing attractive field around the Sun. When it nears the Sun, the test will go at somewhere in the range of 430,000 miles for each hour, the quickest ever human-made question, sufficiently quick to venture out from New York to Tokyo in one moment.